Let's go engineer graphics and design. Learn easy with AutoCAD. In this video, you have to see the simple 2D diagram how to do in the AutoCAD. See this title block exercise how to do in the AutoCAD. Open the AutoCAD. First do the basic setting. Unit and limits. Type unit in the command bar. Type units. See precision is set 0. Then scale need to millimeter. You have set. Give OK. Next settings limits. Put limits. The lower left corner is 0, 0. Put enter. Then upper right corner 21, 297. This A4 paper size drawing limit is 21, 297. Then press enter in keyboard. Here type zoom, enter, zoom, select all. Then you have to start the title block drawing. See here this horizontal length is 170 40 plus 80 plus 50, so horizontal length is 170 mm and the vertical height is 60 mm. In between gap 10 mm 10 mm. So select line command. So you can start anywhere. I start there. The base length is 170 mm. 170, enter. Then height 60 mm. 60, enter. Just draw the rectangle. Again 170, enter. Again 60, enter or close enter. Press enter or again. You want to come out this previous command, press enter or escape. Now I draw the rectangle. Now in between gap 10 mm 10 mm. So one shortcut command offset. This icon is offset. Otherwise in the command bar you have type offset. Offset distance 10 mm. So put 10, enter, select the line. So you just click this shortcut for line command, press enter. See this rectangle you have to divide with the 6 parts. Next one is from the left 40 mm one vertical line, again 80, then one vertical line. So again go to offset command. Offset distance 40, enter. This left side line, move it here. Then again offset distance you are set 50, enter. This right side line come it here. Next see here, in this area no line and here also no line. So use trim command and trim this line. Okay, go to the modify command, select trim. Otherwise in the command bar you have to type trim. Move the cursor on the line. Which line you want to delete? Go to select this. Trim. Next this line no need. This line no need. Press enter or escape in the keyboard. See all the lines are been drawn. Next you have type in the text. Okay, text command. See here. It is available here. Go to annotate. See here. Here multi-line text and a single line text, two types of text. Okay, you have to select a single line text. Select single line text. You can start this corner point, left side. You can start here. Click first. Then this system must specify the height of the letter. The bigger letter is height is 7 mm. 7. Enter. It is very important. Next, the letter angle of rotation, put 0, enter. 0, enter. Now you can start. In this title, 2D geometrical construction. 2D caption geometrical construction. Press enter. 2D geometrical construction. Okay. We want to change the letter size or text style. In this annotation, figure annotate. Here text one small arrow again. Here go to change it. So letter font name and style. Here select ISO pure. Scroll the mouse. This letter style available in below side. ISO pure. Here ISO pure. Select ISO pure. Set current and close. Okay. Next, here name, register number, department, marks, faculty name, and the exercise number, date, everything you have to fill. Go to again single line text. You can start here, and the letter height is 5. You got set 5. Enter. Next, angle of rotation 0. Enter. Type name. Next, your register number. Next, department, your department. Next, marks. Next, your faculty name, your section faculty name. Name, your register number, your department, and marks out of how much you got set here. 10 out of how much you got fill. Faculty name, your faculty. Then here, exercise number or what given in the question paper. Exercise number. Exercise number week 1. Week 1. Next, date. Press, move the cursor other side, press enter. Next, you give the dimension of the title bar. See here, give the dimensions. Go to annotate, select linear dimensions. give the vertical height 60. Next, the overall length 170 from the left side here to here 40, then here to here 50, the in between gap any one side give 10. Okay, so title block do like this. Here you have to fill your name, your registration number, and your department name. Okay, do like this in the title block. Thank you.